The aim and meaning of the Safety Day is to promote the prevention of work-related accidents, injuries and disease, and to highlight the importance of establishing and promoting a good safety and health culture in the workplace. The day aims to raise awareness of the seriousness of work-related accident and disease, prevent all accident and increase productivity by creating a safe and healthy working environment. This day is celebrated with various activities such as workshops and teamed meetings for all employees. It's an opportunity to organize activities that promote the importance of occupational safety and health. The KME Safety Day is an important initiative that highlights the need for a preventive safety and health culture involving key stakeholders to reduce the number of work-related deaths and injuries. As an employer, we recognize that our ability to do a good job depends on our people. This is why we are committed to continuously improving safety and well-being in the workplace by regularly inspecting the various workplaces, whether in the factory or in administration. We try to make them safe and create an atmosphere of well-being. We know that occupational health and safety and health promotion have a direct impact on the company's success and therefore play a central role in our corporate policy. The Implementing Occupational Health and Safety Together project was launched to improve employees' protection. This innovative multi-year program is being carried out in collaboration with the Employers' Liability Insurance Association and the Society for Applied Psychology, with the aim of bringing a new approach to accident prevention and healthcare closer to all the employees at all levels. In addition, the 10 golden rules and the 5 management commitments have been introduced, and now they need to be better practiced and communicated. The aim of the project is clear from its name: implementing occupational safety together. The involvement of employees in the process of continuous improvement of the occupational safety standard is just as important as transparent and open communication at all hierarchical levels. We wanted to strengthen the safety culture as an important pillar of the new KME, which is very sensitive to all ESG issues, like circular economy, copper recyclability, CO2 emission reduction, company solidarity, social sustainability within Camp, and so on. Our intention is to continue the Safety Day every year and to involve all the sites more and more. For the time being, we want to focus on safety in order to achieve our mission of zero accident in all KME sites, old and new.